This is custom functions part 2. And so we're going to go into a little bit more depth with custom functions, some additional things that you can do. I will tell you up front that a lot of what we talk about today won't be required of you to complete assignment 6, but it is important to know that these things exist, not because I expect you to memorize them. Okay, I think memorization is like a 19th century skill. And we don't need to memorize things when we all have a computer in our pocket that access the world's information in about 2 seconds. Okay, don't tell your other teachers I said this, but I think memorization is kind of a waste of time. What I do want you to know and sort of store somewhere in the back of your mind is that these possibilities or these abilities exist in Python because if you go into software development and you're developing more complex things or maybe some kind of specialized thing, there might be a time where you know that this possibility exists, and then you can go back and look it up and say, I don't remember exactly how that worked, but I remember that I could do something like that. Then you just go find it somewhere on the internet, remember how to do it, and then you can use it in that program or in that situation where it actually is useful. So in terms of the knowledge for today, if you don't fully grasp it, that's okay, because a lot of times we don't fully grasp things until we actually use them, until we use them in some kind of a meaningful way. So just sort of know, oh, that's kind of interesting that that's a possibility. And then we can get into when and where you would use that a little bit further down the road.